Alright guys, let's practice. So we want to express b sub 2. Oops, I made a mistake here. Actually no, never mind. Alright, so a equals 1/2 times h times b sub 1 plus b sub 2. We want to isolate b sub 2. Alright, so multiply by 2 over 1 to get rid of the fraction. Multiply by reciprocal. We're left with just 2a, right? So h times b sub 1 plus b sub 2. Now we want to distribute h to both terms. So h times b sub 1 plus h times b sub 2. Again, we want to isolate b sub 2. Now, because we still have h times b sub 1 here, we want to get rid of it, right? So now we're left with 2a minus h times b sub 1. Bring down the h times b sub 2. How do we get rid of the h? Just divide by h on both sides. Now we're left with 2a minus h times b sub 1 equals b sub 2. And this is your literal equation. The area, the trapezoid is 60. The height is 6. One of the base is 12. So let's just put b sub 1 to be 12. And then we rewrite the formula for h, right? 2 times, okay, what is a? A is 60. What is h? H is 6. What is b sub 2? B sub 2 is 12. I believe we get the same number here. 120. Hopefully I'm right. There you go. Don't forget the unit. Let's practice another example. You'll learn this formula in geometry. Solve for n. Alright, so rewrite the formula. Now notice how n is inside the parentheses. So you want to distribute first. And you want to get rid of the number 360. And now you're left with s plus 360 equals 180n. You want to isolate n, right? So you want to divide by 180. So 180 go by. You're left with just n, which is what you want. And then now this is your equation. Alright, let's try number 7. 7 is the tricky one. You want this to be either this, or this. Which response are correct? So sometimes on the regions, there can be more than 2 answers if this is like this type of problem. Let's say you want to solve for L. First things first, minus 2w minus 2w. You want to get rid of the 2w because you want to make 2l by itself. And in order to get rid of, to make l by itself, divide both by 2. Okay? P minus 2w over 2. Which one's correct? Okay, 3 is correct so far. Okay, here's how. This is the tricky part, right? You want to simplify this. Okay, so this is actually P over 2 minus 2W over 2. Alright, so if you simplify this even further, you can make this 1 over 2 times P, minus 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times w is just w. So this is actually this one. So 1 is also correct. Okay. Now here's a trick. You can also, let's say you want to try if the 2 is correct. So this is 2, right? 1/2 times p. So just distribute it. Distribute this one. 1/2 times 2 is 1. 1 times w is w. So this is actually the same as this, right? So this is also correct. So the answer are 1, 2, and 3.